So right now I'm in Orchard St. Anne. Alright, so it's day 4 of Vlogmas and I'm here waiting on. Right now it's just 2 persons are here. Okay, I'm still waiting on the place to open. I was here since after 7, a little after 7, but now it's like little after 8. The place open at 9. I'm actually going to and fix the internet. Okay, so I'm at work and I had to just start working because I have a lot to do. Okay, so right at the door they have some Christmas things that you could put on the tree. I don't know the name of them. So they have it there. They have some nice flowers here. Okay, so I'm coming down the aisle now. So over to my right. Let me see if I can step back and get a full view. Yeah, so all this section is the stationeries. They have items such as printer paper, notebooks, pencils, rulers. You name it, they have it. Wrapping papers. Let's check out some Christmas items. Look at this nice one here. Alright, so coming around the section. They have some more Christmas ornaments here. It's a bit dark. Not seeing it. There's one here. Look at this one. This one is very nice. And they have like dolls for kids here. And the toys are at the bottom. Let's see. It's a bit dark, but that's a bike for boys. A lot of toys here for kids, so you can always come in here and get some presents for your kids. They have their party items also. They have the paintbrushes here, so they have cartridge paper in here also, and I did not know, so that's a very good thing there. So you don't have to walk about to get your cartridge paper. It's here also. looked at this one. Snowflakes. Very nice.
Also on the outside, Lgg's Harberdashery has some beautiful mats. If you're familiar with the town of St. Anne's Bay, you already know where this is. Okay guys, so I am back home. It's been a long day. Guys, when I went to the flow store, I still did not get my issue resolved. Therefore, I don't think I'm going to get back my internet for this December. There were persons there who did not get their internet issue resolved, and it has been from June and July. So I don't think I'm going to get back my internet for this month. I will just have to deal with whatever I'm going through right now in terms of the internet. So I will see